Hi, this is SR. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ecom Business. Today, we will discuss about Walmart seller standard performance metrics, and also we will discuss about how many types of sellers on Walmart. Okay, let's start. First, go to the seller center, then click on performance. You can see there are so many metrics are there. First one is on-time delivery. One on-time delivery or OTD. Second one is cancellation. Third one is valid tracking. And fourth one is seller response. And fifth one is refunds. We will discuss briefly. On-time delivery. Walmart standard is above 95%. 95% means if you are a seller and you are receiving 100 orders, you have to deliver on time more than 95 orders. That means if you are receiving 100 orders, you have to deliver 95 orders on time. This is the Walmart standards. Then you can be the Walmart standards. Okay. Then we will discuss about cancellations, which is below 2%. Walmart standard is below 2%. 2% means if you are receiving 100 orders, only you can cancel 2 of them. It will be better if you will not cancel any orders. It will be better for you. If by chance you have received an order and you don't have any stock or the item is damaged, in that critical case you can cancel up to 2%, up to 2 orders out of 100 orders. Then we will discuss valid tracking. Valid tracking means which is the Walmart standard is above 99%. If you are receiving 100 orders and you are shipping 100 orders, you are bound to provide 99 of the tracking of the orders. You have to provide each tracking number for your each orders. It will be better for you and for the customers. And then we discuss about the seller response. You can see my standard is right now 100%, but the Walmart standard is above 95%. If you are a seller and you have delivered some items to the customers and customer received that item and customer has any issue with the item, that may be received a damaged item or anything else, in that case customer email you and you have received the email from the customer and you have to give the response to the customer within 48 hours or within 24 hours. Sorry, within 24 hours you have to give the response. That is seller response. In the last we will discuss about refund, which is below 6%. Below 6% means if you are receiving 100 orders and you should receive a return of below 6, number 6. Okay. If you are delivering 100 orders and you should receive the return below 6, that is Walmart standard. And a seller, if you want to sell on Walmart without any problem, then you have to follow these Walmart performance standard metrics. Okay. Again, then we will discuss about sellers. How many types of sellers are available on Walmart, and what are the requirements for those sellers. You can first go to the growth section, just click on the growth, then click on pro sellers. Okay, you can see there are 3 types of sellers are there. One is rising seller, another one is advanced seller, and next one is the pro seller. For rising seller, what are the key benefits and how you can qualify for the rising seller? If you want to become a rising seller, then these are the requirements. You can see what are the criteria for the rising sellers. The seller accountable on time delivery rate is 90%. If you want to become a rising seller, then your on time delivery rate should be 90%. Okay. Then seller accountable cancellation rate, that the for the rising seller it is 2.5. Okay. Then seller response rate, for the rising seller it is 90, and the shipping score for the rising seller it is 5%, and the content quality score, this is 65%. Requirement for the becoming a rising seller, and price competitiveness score is 60%. Like this, for the advanced seller, if you are qualifying for the advanced seller, you will get this badge, and the requirement criteria is 92.5%, seller account on time delivered, and cancellation rate is 2%. Then seller response rate is 92.5%, shipping score is 25%, and the content quality score is 70%, and price competitiveness score is 60%. Like this, for the pro seller, if you want to become a pro seller, then your on time delivery rate should be 95%, and the cancellation rate should be 1.5%. More, it should not exceed the 1.5%. Okay. And seller response rate should be 95%, and the shipping score, which is more important for the pro seller, that is 50%. How fast you are shipping your items, how fast you are delivering your items to the customers, and what is the that is known as shipping score, content quality score, and you have to qualify 75%, and the price competitiveness score should be 60%. These are the required criteria for the three types of sellers. If you are want to becoming a rising seller, then you have to qualify. These are the criteria. You can see, if you want to become an advanced seller, then you have to qualify for these criteria, advanced seller. And for the pro seller, these are the criteria. And what is the benefit for the if you are becoming a rising seller, and if you are becoming a advanced seller or becoming a pro seller? First, just click on learn more. You can see, only we will see here the criteria. Rising, we will see the benefits. How? What is the benefit if you are becoming a rising seller? For the rising seller, the benefit is faster payout. Get an increased portion of your eligible account balance paid at the next day. You can see, this is the first benefit. And the second benefit is shipping level discount. Get an additional discount of up to 25% on select fast shipping service at rising seller on our higher types. Then we will see what are the benefits for the advanced seller. You just click on advanced seller. You can see pro listing referral fee discount. Enjoy 5% referral fee discount on pro listing that meets fast and free shipping and competitive price requirements. Second one is access to special capital rate and terms. Access special offers with extended repayments period from Capital by Walmart. Third benefit is review accelerator 50 USD monthly credit. Get 50 USD per month and to boost your review accelerator, which is created by the Walmart. And these are the benefits if you are becoming a rising, if you are becoming a advanced seller. For the pro seller, if you are qualifying for the pro seller, then these are the benefits. First benefit is pro listing referral fee discount, which is normally Walmart charges 15% for the normal sellers. If you are a pro seller, only enjoy a 10% referral fee discount on pro listing that meet fast and free shipping and competitive price requirement exclusively apply. Pro seller badge. If you will become a pro seller, then you will get a pro seller badge. This is the pro seller badge. You can see, these are the topics. These are the Walmart sellers. There are three types of sellers are there. One is rising seller, second is the advanced seller, third one is the pro seller. Pro seller is the best seller. Okay. Today this was the topic. If you have any doubt on this video on this topic, you can comment section is open for you. You can write your question in the comment section. I will try my level best to give answer to everyone. And also you can suggest me the topic so that I will bring the next video for you. If you get some idea from this video, also you can hit the like my video and do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. And also before ending this video, I want to tell you that if someone is interested in this business and you want to start the e-commerce business, I will mention my email in the description. You can contact through the email. We will respond within 24 hours. Okay, how you can set up a account, seller account on Amazon and Walmart and also eBay. We are giving the full service. We will read the service, how you can set up and how you can make the listing and how you can receive the order, and also how you can see the order, how you can deliver to the customer. Every type of service we are providing. So if you are interested, then check my description and contact through email. We will definitely respond you within 24 hours. So for today, I'm ending this video here. See you with another new video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.